Hello everyone, this is Cutback. Have you ever Googled remove background image or you had to switch between Premiere Pro and Photoshop for your video? In this video, I'll show you how to edit images right in Premiere Pro with just a few clicks. First, open Cutback and go to Resources where you will find several editing tools. Let's try removing a background. I want this cat to pop up on screen. After placing the image, just click Remove Background, and it's done. No need to jump over to Photoshop. If you're working on a 4K project but have a low resolution image, simply use Upscale feature and your image will be transformed to a high quality. Other editing tools like Remove Text, Change Background will come in handy when you need the perfect image in your videos. That's it for today, guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more editing tips and updates. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!